striving for a winning situation. We strive to put up the best evidence that is available. There are persons in the system, in the police force, in the prosecuting service, in the judiciary, court staff, who have integrity and who are committed to public.
The committee of the Privy Council has unanimously concluded that the appeals should be allowed and the appellant's convictions should be quashed on the ground of juror misconduct, and that the case should be remitted to the Court of Appeal of Jamaica to decide whether to order a retrial of the appellants for the murder of Clive Williams. The board has considerable sympathy with the dilemma faced by the trial judge on the final day of a long and complex trial.
Cloudy, you know it's right. What go on, my people? What go on? What go on? What go on? You don't know it's invincible. It's the raga boss, you know. And you don't know how we do the thing, you know. We say first and foremost, give thanks and praises to the Most High God for life. You see me? Because once you have life, you have everything. So may I say, you don't know, big respect to all the Invincible fans, them, all the real raga fans, them, big up on yourself. You don't know, all my Day One fans, them, big up on yourself to the fullest. So may I say, much love and respect for continue riding and riding and riding with Invincible. So may I say, and all the new supporters and the new fans and the new subscribers, big up on yourself to see him here. See? So watch out now. Alright, so today, I want to talk about Vybz Kartel and the whole appeal and Privy Council ruling and all these things. As you can see, I played this clip. I took it from another page. I don't remember which page I put it from. I take it from still, but big up on yourself still. You understand? Now, more and touch this topic here because of some reasons. See? All right. I'm going to say it like this. I'm going to start it like this. You see, if me have a brother or a sister or an uncle or a close family member where not act right or do certain things, the first thing I'm not going to do, I'm not going to crucify them, whether them wrong or right, or even if I know say them wrong, I'm not going to really crucify them. See? I'm going to say, I'm to the brother, yeah, man, and of course, we are going to try to teach them or tell them or encourage them on a level. See? I'm saying that to say this. It's not a disrespect what I'm about to say. What I'm about to say is not a disrespect. But see, sometimes my fellow Jamaicans, them act as the most ignorant people in the world. And you see, once you start to say some stuff that makes sense to them always want to threaten you or disrespect you or say certain things. See? And I'm going to tell you why I'm saying these things and then I'm going to touch something. See? So anyways. Now, let me say this. You do not have to be a doctor to know certain little basic things about things that doctors should be doing. Right? You don't have to be a lawyer. See? To understand or know certain things within law. A lot of it is common sense. And a lot of it also is just need to go read. See? Read some things and get the understanding of some things. See? Now, I don't like to say Jamaicans, them fool and stupid and ignorant and all of them things there. I don't really like to say it. But sometimes we have to. See? And again, let me break this down, you know. I don't want nobody start misquote me because Jamaicans are very famous of misinterpreting things and misquoting things. You see me I say and say this is the way I say when it's not technically that's what you're saying. So I make sure I clarify that first and put that out there first and foremost. See? I don't want nobody say me as a cartel guilty. Because I that me I say. I don't want nobody tell me say me as a cartel innocent because I that me I say. I don't want nobody say me at this cartel or me at this the government or whoever me at this. Me I speak facts and reality. I come for talk. See? Alright. So, and again, you know, you have a thing when you name Google, which is one of the greatest thing ever created. The Google person named Vicious. Saying, you can go and read about a lot of things without actually going to a library. Back in the days, you have to find a library and get a book for read and understand certain things. If you ask questions and you cannot get all the answers based on the questions you're asking. You understand? Today you can go on Google and you can search and read everything there is out there that you need to get information and understanding about. See? So, I see 90%, I'm not going to say 90% at Jamaica, you know. I'm going to say 99% of Vybz Kartel fans and the Gaza supporters and all of them. The boss free, and people. See? People, calm on the nerves. Vybz Kartel is not free. See? I don't understand what's going on. So let me kind of break as me read and me understand. See? Let me break down what just happened. See? And them in their mind, I say the Vybz Kartel fans and the Gaza fans, in their mind, they must be assuming that the Privy Council dismissed the case or whatever. No, they did not. People, they did not dismiss the case. They said they quash that verdict because the judge should have never let a corrupt juror stay upon the jury. That's simple. If you guys also listen, I want to listen and pick sense out of nonsense. If you guys also listen, that decision was only made because of the corrupt juror. It had nothing to do with evidence. Like a lot of people are saying evidence tamper with and this and that. That grounds had nothing to do. That decision, that verdict did not have anything to do with any form of evidence or anything. It had to do because the judge allowed a corrupt juror to be on the jury board and still was there. If you listen, and I play the clip, come on to understand. If you also listen to what the Privy Council judge said, he said he sympathized with the judge for making that decision because the case was so long and drawn out and it was late in the evening. So technically, I don't know if you read between the lines, but when we talk, a lot of owner just getting on the feelings and do not understand or really see what's going on. So technically, if you're listening to that, it's basically saying the Privy Council give the judge a pass. Saying? Alright. This is the next thing where people just hear one part, but you're hearing, but you're not listening. And you listen, but you're not really hear. See? The Privy Council squash that and say they're sending it back to the appeal court, back in Jamaica, back in a parlor, lulling them palm in them hand. So guess what? For all of who attack and I say, no, listen to me guys, if Vybz Kartel lock up for the rest of my life, it's not going to benefit me. If Vybz Kartel free, it's not going to benefit me. So it's not about liking Kartel or don't like Kartel. Kartel, I'm a musical big brother. If I go back for my song them, you hear me do songs, say the truth, me I tell you, say none of them about like Kartel. Kartel, I'm a musical big brother. Just like me always say, Bunticular, I'm a musical father. See? So, I don't want to get it twisted, but you have to use in a sense and understand things. No, I am not telling you that Kartel is going to rotten in there, I'm going to stay in there, and I'm not telling you, say, I'm going to come out, because I don't know, but I'm speaking on the facts. See? The charges are not dropped. Privy Council say, give back an appeal so he can go back to retrial. Retrial. You know what a retrial means? A retrial means that they can also bring forth new evidence against Vybz Kartel. A retrial means that them can retry him and him find not guilty. Yeah, true. They also can retry him and him get more evidence and give more sentence and him can get a worse sentence, brother. That's what you must understand. This nothing about this said Vybz Kartel is free. Now, I want to touch something. Khargo, the DJ, the sing J, Khargo. Nah, say Lord, my friend. Khargo do a live one day and Khargo says something that I have been saying for the longest time. And people now start this Khargo and I say Khargo and madman and Khargo, this and Khargo that. But I fax the youth attack. When the guy say, humbleness is going to play a part in this, because guess what now? And a lot of people were stupid, a lot of cartel fans were really stupid. He's always telling you that that has nothing to do with lawyer and judge and courtroom. Bro, listen to me. It does. When you remember the Privy Council put this back in Paula Lewin's hand. Cartel do song from behind the bars and disrespect Paula Lewin. You can believe that it doesn't have anything to do with it, but I'm telling you, it's gonna play a part. Because guess what? When you are trying to make a mockery of me, in this sense, when Cartel is trying to make a mockery of Paula Lewin shall go to the extreme. She's going to go to the extreme to get more evidence, to get more everything, because you're not humble. So I agree with Khargo 100%. His humbleness will help Cartel to get out. It's humbleness. Sometimes you have to be humble, because remember, I know when I try to show this man say, you is so powerful and influential, it come like Cartel even more powerful than Bunty to me and look on this whole thing, right now, But these people are trying to show you, say, no matter how you think you are great and above everything, there's somebody above you. That's what they're trying to say. When you're so powerful, them want to lock down your power. It's the same thing with Dodos. And that's for another vlog, but I just show you, when you're thinking that you're too mighty and up here, so them are trying to show you. They are trying to show you, say, you're not that mighty. And them can't have control. Because if that was the case, Privy Council would say, yeah, this evidence is no good, and this is no good, and that is no good, so we need them to throw that case out. Remember, them never said that. They said on the grounds of the judge's decision of leaving the tainted juror in there is the only reason him is sending back the case back to court. When I say these things, people tend to have something stupid to say. And I think I say a footer hype live. It's the same thing footer hype are saying. Them are playing Cartel and them it's not playing with Cartel, It's the system. So whether you believe, no, your job, Cartel lawyers are doing a very good job, but they're also not talking to him and say, yo, just chill, bro, let me take care of this. Because in this social media world, they feel like, say, going on social media and making certain comments and making certain speech is going to help them. But really and truly, it's not going to help them. It's not. And again, my people, I'm not telling you that the guy now going to come out or now going to get whatever going to happen, It's not what I am saying. I am saying, read the things them and understand what's going on before we are celebrating and we are do all these things. That's what you have to remember. You have to remember that. See? You have to remember. The bar's not free yet. You understand? Him not free yet. Him not free yet. I'm not tell you say him not go free. I'm not tell you say him go free. Me no know. But what I'm saying is, listen before you do. Oh yeah, so much celebrate. You can celebrate for your win because them say, all right, send him back a retrial or send it back to court for a retrial. Listen to what the judge saying or the privy judge saying. Them are send it back to the appeal court back in Jamaica. Say him gone right back in. Remember, you know, filing this appeal is to try to get away from the Jamaica system and all these things. And yes, you get a pass. But guess what they do? They send you back to the Jamaica system again for a retrial. The next thing is, they might still have other evidence or some other things to bring forth, which them probably will bring forth in the new trial if so be the case. But when you are trying, it's just like all of it, people, me come from the streets, people come from certain things, from school days, whatever. Whenever you try to make a mockery of somebody, them a go, so when you push, them push back. You a push, them a push back. I mean, I say that in a defense way. We are say that in our ego farm. Because of course, if you get charged for murder, you get charged for robbery, you get charged for any little thing you get charged for, you get your lawyers, and your lawyers are fighting a case. That's what Vybz Kartel's lawyers are doing. That's why they're fighting a case. But at this point in time, you have to humble at a certain point. You have to humble at a certain point, and you cannot push the people them where have the control of the decision control of your outcome of everything. You are doing all songs dissing these people, bro. I'm not care when none of them want to say that's some where they call some low blow punch them there when you feel us bill. So where I say, remember now everybody want cartel free. You have some people out there say, oh, him for turning there rotten because he might take people life and him is not good for the society and him this and him that. You have people that say that. You see me I say? You do have people saying that. You understand? You have people who have said that. So when you still there approach you, them are going to say, even if you could have sympathized with him, I'm not going to sympathize with him because I can see say him never change. So them think they're going to that. Because remember, you have all people who get life in prison, or they have people who get 10 years, and you have people who get, so I was locked up before, I'm not afraid for telling, no, crazy, nothing like that. But you go in there and get 6 months, and when you're in there, you're humble. And you're humble and you stay, so you're building, and you mix up with people, you're humble, and your 6 months become 2 months, brother. Because they must say, yo, good behavior, let you out. Time serve, good behavior, whatever. Them let you out before you actually serve your full sentence. But when you in there now and the man, them will lock me up and the people, them will send me out and lock me up now. Me want go in there and this, them said people, they don't know how me I go come out. Or how me expect to come out. When me I try prove to them, say, me bigger than them and me better than them. And I saw the thing, man. So all my guys are fans and supporters saying, me hear, listen to how it sound, and I should have, this is what must, a lot of time when I watch the video, them, and when I watch the videos and everything, and I really read between the lines. There's a thing called read between the lines. And you have to start read between the lines. You know, after all these things happen, that day at the court, I think it was the day after the court, me hear Vybz Kartel liar. And I'm not saying he's not a good liar, he's a very great liar. But him come on live and he must say, send out the prayers. Okay, good, prayers is good. Then he say something about break out the gathering and something where the man has say. And a liar, and we are talking about gathering and you're a liar. God rings? But anyways, I don't know. Maybe me, I will read too much between the lines. But what I'm saying, my Gaza fans, the teacher fans, the world boss people, them world boss fans, and that's the thing gonna think me as a man as a cartel come out next week. Wanna get that from, brother? And that's what the thing go, dog. And I can tell you, say, because I'm gonna say it like this, because Kartel and him team are trying to make the prosecutor them and make the government look stupid. Them now go just hand it to him, so trust me and believe me. And it's not just with Vybz Kartel case, this is in life. When you are trying to make people look stupid, them are gonna try their very, very best. not for you to get what you want. They're gonna try their very best not for you to get what you want because you're always trying to make them look stupid. And there's other ways of going about things. You see me I say this for years ago. Kartel is one of the most talented youth, musical wise, what me know. I work, the man they work like how Kobe Bryant used to work in a Bill Theme basketball thing. I saw Kartel work. Records 7 songs a day and them thing there, which is great. Seeing? But when you're there in a them position, a man starts say some positive things where you plan for do. You can't just as and you have some man that burn me out when I say these things. No. You see me? So that me have to say still, you don't know my people. Big respect to all my fans, all my subscribers, and my supporters. Big up Vybz Kartel, big up the whole Gaza nation, big up the Raga nation. You see me I say big up Alliance nation and big up the whole nations them where I run the thing. You see me I say please like, share, subscribe, and I really want to add them comment about this right here, so because that's what I am saying. See? And Khargo not, first of all, Khargo is not dissing Kartel. And Footer hype, nah, this Kartel, nah, this nobody. In them I said the same thing what I am saying, I have been saying. See? So that's the thing then. It's invincible. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Cloud Eye! I'm out.